Hello everyone, for today's magic card trick tutorial, I thought it'd be neat to share with you another easy self-working, and this one is somewhat mathematical, actually 100% mathematical, impromptu self-working card trick that you can do when you're at somebody's house. You can borrow a deck of cards, have a spectator do all the work, and you're gonna come up with a prediction in this trick. So you can have a spectator just do exactly what I'm doing through this entire trick, okay? So you can have the spectator shuffle the cards as many times as they want, it doesn't matter. And now have a spectator just go ahead and deal down as many cards onto the table as they want. And they can stop at any time they want. And if they stop, they can keep going if they want. It really doesn't matter. So they'll deal down any amount of cards that they want. It doesn't matter. Let's say they stop there, okay? So now you're gonna make a prediction. You're gonna predict that they will have 13 more black cards than you have of red cards in this deck. And you can write it down. You know, you will have 13 more red cards than I will have of black cards in this deck. Okay, so that's your prediction. So in order to make and see if your prediction is correct, we're gonna have to go and count all the red cards in this deck, okay? Because you're predicting that they have 13 more red cards than you have of black cards in this deck. So you go through and count the red cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. They have 18 red cards in this deck, and you predicted that they would have 13 more red cards than you have of black cards. So you should have 18 minus 13 is 5. So you should have 5 black cards in this stack of cards, okay? So ready? So the only way to find out if you're correct, turn these over and count the black cards. So let's count them. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3, there's 4, and there's 5. There's 5 black cards in this stack of cards. And so if you wrote your prediction out, you would see that you're correct. And that's the easy color prediction, 100% self-working, a little bit of math involved, and that's all you have to do. But before I show you how to do it, please like and subscribe to this video. I really appreciate it. Also, I'd like to give a shout out to channel member John Clare. He's really been supportive of this channel. I really appreciate you, as well as all my channel members. And if you're looking to see how to become a channel member, just go ahead and click on the YouTube tab under membership to see how to do it. And if you would, I appreciate it if you join, okay? Also, there might still be time to get one of these magic calendars for 2024. Had these printed, and they make a really good gift for anybody who likes magic, or you want to get one for yourself if you didn't get what you wanted for Christmas, etc. Okay, so you can get one of these at thebestmagicshop.com or on Etsy, whichever way you prefer on how to shop, okay? Also, check out thebestmagicshop.com, where you can find some awesome new magic tricks, accessories, shirts, bags, and more for yourself or anyone who just likes magic. All right, now for the tutorial. Simple color prediction. It's really simple. You just want to make sure that you have a complete deck of cards, which is 52 cards, okay? Because the magic number in this trick is 26, okay? The order doesn't matter. They're well mixed, well shuffled. This trick is 100% mathematical, actually. So you just want to make sure that you do have 52 cards, okay? So no jokers. And the spectator can shuffle, mix the cards, cut them, doesn't really matter, as much as they want. Now, when you have the spectator deal down, or you deal down the cards into this shorter stack, or it could be even a larger stack, you're just counting how many cards they deal down. So let's say they deal down, you're counting to yourself. Now you're not counting out loud, which is why it makes it a little bit easier if the spectator does all the work, because they can count down. You can just watch them, and you're counting in your head, not with your mouth, just not out loud, but just in your head, how many cards they're dealing down. So let's say they deal down, let's say, well, we'll count because this is a tutorial. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Let's say they stop at 17 cards, okay? The magic number to this trick is 26. This is the bigger stack, this is the smaller stack, okay? They counted 17 cards, so 26 minus 17 is 9, okay? So 9 is the number now. 26 minus 17, so 26 minus 17 is 9. This stack, mathematically, will have 9 more black cards than this stack has of red cards, and this will have 9 more red cards than this stack will have of black cards, okay? Now just kind of, you gotta let that soak in, okay? This will have 9 more red than this stack has black. This one will have 9 more black than this one has of red, okay? Just the opposite color, okay? Now it's mathematical. So if the roles were reversed, okay, this way, okay, they would have counted down, right, 52 minus 17. So then this one will have 9 less black cards than this has of red, and this stack will have 9 less red cards than this one has of black, okay? But now let's just take it with this bigger stack, that this stack has 9 more red than this one has of black, okay? 26 minus 17. So now you say 9 more red or 9 more black than this one has of red, 9 more red than this one has of black, whichever prediction you want to do. You just do one prediction, okay? Whichever is your favorite color, or have a spectator pick a color, and you can do that one, okay? So let's say this one will have 9 more black than this one of red. So now you just count the black cards. That's all you're doing. Counting the black cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 black cards, okay? And you said this will have 9 more black cards than this has of red, so 16 minus 9 is now 7. So this stack will have 7 red cards. Now you go into this stack and see if your prediction is correct, and you count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 red cards in this stack of cards, which is 9 less than the number of black cards that was in here, okay? So that's it. It's just mathematical. The big stack is, when they have, whatever the small stack is less, whatever the big stack is, has 9 more. So if they would have dealt down, let's see, this is, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay, 26 minus 26 is 0. So this will have the same amount of red card. This will have the same amount of black cards as this has red cards. And this will have the same amount of red cards as this has black cards, okay? You see when 26, when they equal together, see how the math works on this one? This will have the same amount of red cards as this has black cards, and this will have the same amount of black cards as this one has red cards, okay? But now if they're 26, 27, now this will have 1 less black card than this has of red cards, okay? And you see how the math goes? So 27, 28, 29, 30, right? And this one will now have 4 less black cards than this has of red cards, okay? So it's just simple, mathematical. If you can subtract from 26, that's the magic number. A little bit of arithmetic, I know, but try it out. It's completely self-working. The order of the cards doesn't matter because you're just dealing with red and black cards, and the math is just all there. It's algebra, but it sounds kind of complicated, but it really isn't. So just give it a try. Check it out and try it a few times, and you might even amaze yourself, okay? So that's a simple color prediction, easy self-working trick. I hope you like it, and until next time.